Hi, I'm Tara with Pink Power Cleaning, and I have a green soft scrub alternative. So what we have here is Sal's Suds, great biodegradable cleaner, non-toxic, and then baking soda. And what we did really is just put it in a container and mix it into a paste, and it makes a nice gritty green soft scrub. So what I'm doing today is cleaning this air conditioner. So I'm at this house and they used a fireplace and it got soot everywhere. Trying to clean it with just a cloth or just a cleaner wasn't doing it. So I have my made up self scrub here to clean it off. As you see, it gets the soot right off and makes it nice and white again. So I'm gonna wipe that off here. So I'm Tara with Pink Power Cleaning, and we have a great non-toxic soft scrub alternative.